Why are you still here? Go away.
Take care of. I don't need you to. Get out of my garage!
I just shit my pants because one of these little bats just flew.
Who the fuck said birds are unreal? Then what the fuck are these, huh? You telling me these aren't real?
The hell are you looking at, cunt? I'm going to rip.
Are we Big Baby Bird?